chez soi. Let's go, let's vibe, mono. Move on and do your thing. Come on and make them say. Voilà, c'est. Voilà, voilà, c'est. Now look at that. Voilà, c'est.
25 years of marriage is a beautiful testimony of love, commitment, patience, and most of all, God's faithfulness.
Today, I renew that promise. For the past 25 years, mas lalo pa kitang minahal.
I remember so well the day that you came into my life.
Parang binuo niya ako. Kasi, binata siya eh. May anak ako. Pinangarap ko na mabuo yung pamilya ko. Yung mabuo ako. Siya yun.
My life started to change. I wake up each day.
My love, as we stand here today, renew our vows after 25 incredible years together. I promise to keep myself open to you, to let you know into my innermost fears and feelings, secret and dreams.
How did you know I needed someone?
After 25 years, nandito pa rin tayo. Salamat. Kumbaga, itinadhana pa tayo. Oo. At sana, huwag kang magbago. Kung magbabago ka man, sana, sa ikabubuti pa ng ating pamilya. Salamat.
I never forget how you brought the
Marry me again. Wow. Parang, kala ko joke lang eh. Kaya sana, walang magbago.
Sa 25 years ng pagmamahalan at sa bawat araw na lumilipas, it became stronger and stronger. I love you who are for who you filled me to be. Pangako ko sa'yo kahit anong mangyari. Andito lang ako para sa'yo. Palagi kitang mamahalin. Mahal kita ngayon at hanggang dulo. I love you.
I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. Oh, I never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I